Welcome back to my channel. If unfamiliar, my name's Miss Bree, an early childhood education teacher. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button under the screen, and let's see what adventure we're going on today. Today, we have a paw-rrific adventure plan. We are doing 4 ways to entertain your dogs at home. Now, if your dogs are like mine, they get bored really easy. Now, if you don't have a dog, that's okay. Maybe someday you'll get a dog. These activities will help you out. Or your neighbor, or your friends, or a family member has a dog that you like to play with. Now, my dogs, their names are Roxy and Pebbles, and they are going to be 18 years old. And since they're getting older, they don't really like to play certain activities. They don't like to chew toys. They don't like to play fetch. They don't like to run too much. So I had to think outside the box. And these are the activities I came up with. Now make sure to stay tuned, because with dogs, you never know what to expect. Enjoy. Activity number 1, find. So I'm going to close this door enough where they can open it up with their paws, and then I'm going to go hide. Find, girls! Find! Find! And now I gotta go find a spot to hide. Oh. You found me! Good job! Good work! Treat for you, treat for you. Good work! Activity number 2, hula hoop. You need a hula hoop and of course the treats. Okay, girls. One step. Come on, who wants to walk through the... Oh, wow! Woo, woo! And the gold medals go to Roxy and Pebbles! Activity 3, dog toy puzzles. And when you search online, you can find all different kinds of puzzles, and they love these. So you pull them out, and they have little different dispensers, and you, instead of shoving like whole treats in them, we like to kind of like break them up and put a little in each. That way they don't get too many treats, and if we want to play again. And you close them up, close it up, and then we also have a star spinner. This one's cool because it's got like 3 different layers to it. So that she might open one, but then she's got to open up the second and third one. So again, I'll actually take the same cookie, and then I'll crumple one in each opening. would say it takes them about 5-10 minutes to do these puzzles. Are you all ready, Pebbles? On your mark, get set, go! Sometimes they team together. Okay, so we've got the first layer of the star open. Can they figure out? There's a third layer. Oh, Pebbles got it. Pebbles got it. Really getting into it. Activity 4, Peekaboo Treat. You will need a cardboard box with some holes on one side and a large opening to stick your arm through on the other side. You also can do it with a cereal box, so I'm going to show you how to do it with both. And then you need a rubber spatula with some peanut butter on it. And then you stick it through like peekaboo. Roxy, peekaboo! Whoa! And you gotta be careful to not let them bite it. See, peekaboo! So it's kind of like a peanut butter lollipop form. And then you kind of let them have a couple more licks, then bring it back in and peekaboo. And I would say take turns. I'll let Roxy do it first, and then I'll she's starting to bite it, so then I'll do another hole, and then I'll let Pebbles do it. Now I'll show it with the bigger box. Roxy, peekaboo, peekaboo, Roxy. Oh, Roxy. Oh, peekaboo. Okay, Pebbles' turn. Pebbles. Now Pebbles is a little more aggressive, so I have to. She doesn't mess around when it comes to games, so I have to put the spoon in and out a little faster. Don't bite the spoon. You found me. Where am I? Well, thank you so much for watching this paw-rrific adventure. Try these activities out with your dogs. You just may tire them out. And tire yourself out. I hope you had a lot of fun. I know I did. Well, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.